I want to show you how to put a connection on to your rg6 cable line. Here's our connector. It's very simple. It will actually twist onto the line. We won't need to use any kind of special crimpers or anything. So a lot of people don't like doing it like this. They say it damages the line, but I've never had any problems. So, half-inch down on your line about. And you don't want to cut too deep. You don't want to cut the wires that are in there. You just want to go around with your utility knife and cut through the black jacket. Hopefully leaving the wires in there alone. Next, we want to get that jacket off there. So we cut a slice up the side. So about a half-inch of the wire is exposed. And that's what you have. Now you want to pull all the wiring down to the sides, just the wiring. Make sure we get it all done. Okay, at this point, I say about halfway done. You want to snip off about half of that, what's on there. I don't think you need a knife. You want to cut half around this wire. And there's a copper strand in there. You want to cut halfway around that. Okay. At this point, our wire is set up and ready to go. So we have all of our wires down to the side. We have our insulation right here, and this is the wire sticking up that we need. So we have our insulation. We have our wires coming down, and that insulates from the inner copper is a shield, and then your wires. Now, to get these on, you gotta make sure you have this up far enough. And that's basically what you need. And then from here, we twist on our connector. And most of the time, we can twist these on by hand. And I like to twist them to you can see that white down in there. Okay. So we're on there far enough. Now a lot of times I see where people leave these stragglers out in the open, but I was told not to mess with your signal, so I'll just lightly cut the extra wires that are hanging out underneath the connector. Regular wires. So there you have it. We put a connector on a rg6 wire. It's a twist-on type. No special tools. Just for your average guy. You can look in the middle. You can see the wires in there, the copper wire. You can see the white in there. So it's a nice connection. And that's what it takes to put on a twist connector. I used a utility knife and a pair of wire cutters to make that connection. Now, I've never had any problems with any connections with these, so that's the best I can show you how I do it. And it always seems to work out pretty good. I don't have to carry any extra tools to get this done. So there you have it. How to put a twist-on connector onto an rg6 wire. Make sure when you buy your connectors, make sure they're twist-ons for rg6. And that's the basic procedure to put them on.